अस्सलामु अलैकुम क्लास 10th बायोलॉजी के प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स। बॉटनी स्टडी हब यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका दिल से खुश आमदीद। अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकॉन प्रेस करें। आज हम ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम के टॉपिक को डिटेल से समझेंगे। ये टॉपिक आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। खास तौर पे पंजाब बोर्ड के एग्जाम में इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन जरूर आते हैं। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। पहली इमेज से शुरू करते हैं। चैप्टर 2 ह्यूमन रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम स्टूडेंट्स लर्निंग आउटकम्स। After studying this chapter, students will be able to describe the roles of the parts of the air passageway and lungs, describe the mechanism of breathing in terms of movements of ribs and diaphragm, differentiate between the composition of inspired and expired air, and discuss briefly diseases related to respiratory system like bronchitis, emphysema, pneumonia, asthma, and lung cancer. Breathing is the process in which animals move air in and out of their body. It is done to get oxygen from air and to release carbon dioxide in it. Breathing and respiration are not the same processes. Respiration is a chemical process, while breathing is a physical process. Breathing helps in gaseous exchange. Gaseous exchange helps in respiration. Organisms get energy by doing cellular respiration. It is the process in which cells oxidize food, glucose, and get energy. For this purpose, organisms need to carry oxygen to the cells and to remove carbon dioxide from the cells. Gaseous exchange is the process in which oxygen present in the inhaled air moves into blood, and carbon dioxide from the blood moves into the air to be exhaled. For gaseous exchange, animals do breathing. Note, in aerobic respiration, oxygen is utilized while carbon dioxide and water are produced. Summary. Breathing is the physical process of moving air in and out of the body. It allows gaseous exchange in the lungs, which supplies oxygen to the blood and removes carbon dioxide. This oxygen is then used in cellular respiration to produce energy. Urdu. Breathing physical process है जिसमें air अंदर बाहर होती है. Respiration chemical process है. Gaseous exchange lungs में होता है. Cellular respiration से energy मिलती है. अब दूसरी इमेज 2.1 Human Respiratory System. Respiratory system is responsible for breathing and gaseous exchange. It has two major parts, air passageway and lungs. A. The air passageway. When air enters the body, it passes through connected tubes to reach the lungs. After gaseous exchange, air moves from the lungs to outside through the same tubes. These connected tubes are collectively called air passageway. 1. Nostrils and nasal cavity. The nasal cavity is made up of two narrow cavities between nostrils and pharynx. Air enters the nasal cavity through nostrils. Fine hairs in nasal cavity filter the incoming air by trapping large dust particles. Mucus on the walls of nasal cavity traps small dust particles. Mucus also warms the air and keeps its temperature nearly equal to the temperature of body. Functions of nasal cavity. Filters dust from air, traps microbes and dirt, warms and moistens the incoming air. 2. Pharynx. Nasal cavity opens into pharynx. At the floor of pharynx, there is an opening called glottis. It opens in larynx. The glottis is guarded by a flap called epiglottis. It prevents food and liquid from entering the windpipe and lungs. Pharynx is a common passage for food to esophagus and for air to larynx. 3. Larynx. It is a box present between pharynx and trachea. Larynx is also called the voice box. Two fibrous bands called vocal cords are attached to the inner walls of larynx. The vibrations of vocal cords and the movements of lips, cheeks, tongue, and jaws produce specific sounds which result in speech. Do you know? The vibration of vocal cords produces sounds. Different tension and length of vocal cords produce different pitch, high or low, of sounds. Then air goes to trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and finally lungs, where alveoli are present for gaseous exchange. Summary. Air enters through nostrils, is filtered, warmed, and moistened in nasal cavity, passes through pharynx, goes to larynx, voice box, and then into trachea and lungs. Here oxygen is taken in and carbon dioxide is released. Urdu. Air passageway main nostrils, nasal cavity filter warm moisten, pharynx common passage, larynx voice box with vocal cords, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, or lungs है. Alveoli main gaseous exchange होता है. Dear students of Botany Study Hub, इस टॉपिक को अच्छे से रिवाइज करें। ब्रीदिंग वर्सेस रेस्पिरेशन, एयर पैसेजवे के पार्ट्स और उनके फंक्शंस याद करें। पंजाब बोर्ड एग्जाम के लिए ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और कमेंट करना ना भूलें। बेस्ट ऑफ लक, स्टडी स्मार्ट, स्कोर हाई। Allah Hafiz and thank you for watching.